God, I'm a bitch. That's why I don't have friends. I was just in the most disgusting cab of my life. Like, okay, I look disgusting right now. I literally got out of the cab and gagged, like dry heaved. It smelled so bad. Like the two people who were driving me, they looked like they hadn't showered on purpose in like 5 months. I've never seen anyone that greasy in my life, and I'm just so skeeved out. Like, I'm gonna get to my Airbnb, strip naked, and put on some boiling water and take a shower. Like, I am so skeeved. Ugh. Also, my host didn't let me know that there's no buses on Sundays. Like, that should be something you let people know, so I know ahead of time. Like, good thing I had cash on me again, because I had to take a 30 € cab, which is a lot of US dollars. Also, the cab was awful, so things you should let me know. You know, here I am complaining yet again, but that was truly foul. Also, so my thing came to 32 euros, and I gave him a 50 and I asked for change, and then like he gave me a 20 back, and then he was like expecting the 2 euros for me to, you know, like make it up. And I was like digging in my fucking coin purse for change. I barely made it. I had to give him like a bunch of 20 cents. And at that point you should just be like, you know what? Take it. You should know you smell so bad. Like, I know I am disgusting today. He's got to know he's disgusting. And just like throw me the $2. Also, you should have change. This is your business. At least the view is nice. I'm in my Airbnb in Tuscany. It's very cute. So, you know, travel mishaps, but this is a really cute, cozy kind of space, and it has laundry. The woman who picked me up, I believe it's 2 owners. So one speaks English very well. The other one speaks Italian. So we were trying to talk to each other, and she's like, I don't really know English. And I was like, I don't really know Italian. So we both had our Google Translates out trying to talk. I'm out of breath. So I'm gonna do my laundry because it's been a minute. First, I'm gonna take a shower because I'm disgusting. But I'll show you my room too. It's really cute. So this is why I'm huffing and puffing. I'm already on the 3rd floor to get to my room. And this is my room. Purple themed, so cute. Love the exposed brick. I just love how this is decorated. So you get some, you know, a little desk, a tiny chair. This wine is for me. How nice. Oh my God, I'm so out of breath. Okay. Mirror. Then this is pretty cool. Like the shower is just like part of the room. So you got a shower here, nice and updated. And then the toilet, there's actually a door for it. The toilet's in this area over here. So some stairs, toilet. Every bathroom I've had in Italy, even in the hostels, has a bidet. Sink, towels. So this is just really cute, really nicely set up. I love the like cloud kind of paint on the wall. And a TV, thank God. Even though it's only in Italian, it's nice to have some background noise again. So now it's time to shower, wash my clothes, and I'm gonna try and find a cooking class on like Airbnb experiences or something for me to do tomorrow. Or I could just walk around. The views here were so cute, so nice. Oh God, I showered this morning and then I sweat so much I feel dirty again. And I feel dirty after being in that cab. So I'm here. Let's do it. Good morning, guys. So minor crisis averted. My wall adapters do not work in actual Italian homes. They work in Italian hostels, but I believe I read that like, you know, there was an updated version, so most homes don't take my plug. So I was like, shit, like I'm gonna have to last all day on this charge or go find a store that has a wall adapter. But I'm in such a small town. I don't even know if there's gonna be like a little convenience store that would have these. So I was like, but luckily, this plugs in. They have a nice smart TV, so charging my phone and my little power thing in the TV. So at least I have that. I think I should be able to get myself through today and tomorrow. Again, this is the like vacation portion of my trip. So I'm not, you know, I don't have a ton to sightsee. I literally just want to go right outside this window is like the nice Tuscan rolling hills. I just want to sit and look at hills, you know? So I'm just gonna walk around today. Nothing too crazy. If I can find a winery, I'll go. but I wish I had more planning, but you know, I was in another B&B right before this that didn't have a great charge or great Wi-Fi. So it was hard to plan there too. So, you know, once again, planning doesn't kind of bites me in the ass, but it's all an adventure. I'm having fun. I'm not sitting in my room in New Jersey doing nothing. So I am just loving this B&B. It's like a legit B&B. Like they don't live here. I'm the only one here. There's 3 rooms and I'm the only one here. So it was kind of scary last night because my laundry is being done in the basement. And I had to get it out last night. I'm like, I'm not going down there. I'm just gonna let it sit and soak and smell like mildew because I was just too spooked to come down here. I also can't figure out the laundry machine. It's in the wash, it's all wet, but I can't open the door. So, I don't know. And I have to get it out so it can air dry, you know, for the full 24 hours, hopefully. So that's another thing I gotta figure out. So, you know, we're just figuring everything out right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for these to charge, maybe read on this couch, maybe go outside and read, and then walk around. Ooh, can I pronounce it? Montepulciano? I don't know how to pronounce anything, but I'm gonna go around there. My friend Steph knows a guy who has a great restaurant. She said she'd hook me up and I'd eat like a king. So that's what I'm here for. So I'm definitely gonna go to that restaurant, but hopefully just walk around the town a little bit and hopefully plan out tomorrow and be able to get to a cooking class because I think it'd be fun to make pasta. Okay, I'm gonna wrestle the door of the washer machine, so I will see you guys later. Okay, so the door finally opened, but this stuff is soaking wet. Like there should be a spin cycle that kind of sucks out most of the water. I'm gonna try and like Google Translate some of these. Hopefully that works out, and then hang it on this. So wish me luck. Okay, so just left my little B&B. I gotta show you this amazing view. So literally steps away right here. This is insane. It looks like a painting. Damn. Wow. Okay, so not only is that view amazing, like this is like a cute little town with the tiny streets and like the cobblestones, and you know, all the buildings are like right next to each other, and they have the, I call them the bonjour windows from Beauty and the Beast, but it's just so cute. All right, so now I'm gonna attempt to get on the bus again, go to another town, wander around there, and then get dinner at 7. The only annoying thing about Europe is a lot of the restaurants close in the middle of the day. So if you're hungry at 5, you are shit out of luck. You gotta wait till 7 or 7:30 till everything reopens again. But wait, the window's so cute. Okay, gonna hop on the bus. Hopefully it all works out. Okay, I made it to Montepulciano. I don't know how I'm getting back, but I'm here. So let's explore. Times like right now, I really wish I had someone to take my picture. So I need a travel buddy or a friend. So it's like 4:15, the restaurant doesn't open again until 7. I think I'm gonna stick it out, I don't know. I think I might go somewhere else and get like a panini to hold me over because I just had a few like pieces of bread this morning. So I'm just gonna explore a little more. It is very hilly here and I have like the world's cheapest sandals on. So we'll see how I'm feeling after a few hours. I am having like weird feelings right now though. Like I wish I had like a buddy right now. I think it's also because 2 people I know got engaged yesterday. So I'm like, I'm so alone. And not even just like boyfriend wise, like I feel like I don't have like a good girl group. I just saw like, I don't know whether it was like a bachelorette party or just like a solid girlfriend group. I don't even have that. So I was just like, ugh, I'm so alone. Like, all I want is some like good pictures of me. Don't have any of that, or anyone around to take those. And sometimes I feel lonely, like traveling like this. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I feel lonely. Sometimes when I'm around people, I don't want to be around them, so I don't know how to feel. I'm having some weird feelings today. So just thought I'd let you know. Maybe I should just down a sandwich, maybe it'll make me feel better. Also, like I have the idea to go home within the next 7 to 10 days. I want to do Nice, I want to do Barcelona. And I'm kind of ready to go home, but then everyone's like, stay, stay, stay. Like, you have all this time, which is very true. But again, like I think I'm like ready. I've seen everything I wanted to see. There's more to see. I could go like Eastern Europe and do that, but like I feel like I'm good. Although I know the second I get home, I'll be like, kicking my own ass. I'm like, you should have stayed, explored more. So I don't know how to feel. I'm feeling some type of way. So yeah, I'll need a sandwich. All right, I thought the last bus out of here was at 9. It is at 7:30 something, and the restaurant opens at 7. So I really should have just gotten here earlier and went for lunch, but shit happens. So I think I'm gonna just find another restaurant, eat there, explore more, and then head back. But you know, I made the effort. Things don't always go the way you wanted them to, but that's okay. Felt really good to vent just now, and I think I'm feeling better after just venting. I need to be like, Shannon, Instagram isn't the entire world. You know, as much as you want an Instagram husband, maybe your future husband will suck at taking pictures too. But yeah, I do feel like I do need some good travel buddies, but I gotta enjoy doing this while I can, while I'm here. By all means, walk right up to me and stare at me in the fucking face. God, I'm a bitch. That's why I don't have friends. Yeah, gonna eat, because eating helps all the time. I feel like I need to further go on how cute my Airbnb is. Like, they provide the towels, the soap, the conditioner, the body wash, and also these cute little slippers. Like, obviously my foot has been in there. There's like an imprint and like my feet are dirty, but like slippers, a bottle of wine that I'm about to house right now. Like, this is so cute. So I'm just gonna have like a little relaxing night. I still need to plan what I'm doing tomorrow. Here I am, a planner extraordinaire. I lost my train of thought. I visit. I'm gonna have some wine and a pizza, put these slippers back on. I really amaze myself with my procrastination. It is 10:30 in the morning. I just booked my hostel in Florence for tonight. Haven't booked my cooking class, which is the whole reason I'm going to Florence. So, you know, it just kind of bite me in the ass. And like, I got a hostel. I would have rather have went to the hostel I was at in Florence, or the one I went to a party at in Florence, but they were sold out because I literally just booked it just now. Had I done that tonight, I was literally sitting on this couch for hours last night, so I should have done it then. Bit me in the ass, it's all on me. But this hostel doesn't seem too bad, and I just need to stay there for one night. I want to use their dryer machine because most of my clothes are still wet, and then just leave my bags there while I go to my cooking class tomorrow. So once I get there, I immediately need to book the cooking class. Shannon, I get so distracted. So I need to do that. And I want to book my next leg. I need to do this stuff, but I know, I don't know why I'm like this. So I need to get in the zone. I also should probably buy a ticket home. Everyone's like, no, stay. I think I mentioned this yesterday. And even my mom was like, why is the phone bill so high? I'm like, because it's $10 a day for international data. I'll just write you a big check when I'm home. And like, so I thought she like seemed like irritated at that, but then she's like, okay, have fun, go to Germany, whatever. No one really wants me home. Everyone just wants me to keep traveling, and I can afford it, but I'm like I said, I'm kind of like, I'm ready. I still want to do Nice. I want to do Barcelona. Now that my mom said to, I might go to Germany. I don't know. We'll see, but I do need to at least book a day in advance. I need to start doing that instead of the morning of, so I can just get like my preferred hostel and train and stuff. Mostly I just want to dry my clothes. They are still soaking wet, and they're now all just like, I folded them, but they're in my suitcase in a plastic bag. So now it's just like wet clothes on top of each other. So the faster I get to Florence, the faster I can put them in a dryer. And maybe I'll just like rewash the whole thing actually. But yeah, so I need to stop procrastinating. That's just like a fact of my life. I was supposed to check out here at 10, but I'm just gonna wait till literally they come in and are like, why are you still here? My train isn't till 12. So I really could bullshit in here for a while. All right, one last overview of the cutest little Airbnb in Tuscany. It was really nice. I had it all to myself. This kitchen is amazing, and I love how it's decorated. Okay, I was supposed to check out like an hour ago, so time to leave.